Ready to transform your Notion workspace from chaotic to captivating? First, identify your needs. What tasks do you repeat frequently? Project management, note-taking, or maybe habit tracking. Knowing this will guide your template design. Start with a fresh page. Use the / command to add basic building blocks like headings, bullet points, and callout boxes. Structure is key. Divide your template into clear sections. Headings create hierarchy, and callout boxes can highlight important information or tips. Databases are where Notion truly shines. Choose a view that best suits your data: a table for detailed information, a board for workflow management, or a calendar for deadlines. Customize database properties to track relevant details. Add tags for categorization, assign people for collaboration, and set deadlines to stay on schedule. Don't be afraid to rearrange elements. A well-organized layout makes your template easier to use and more visually appealing. Drag and drop blocks to find the perfect flow. Add personality with cover images and icons. These small details can significantly enhance the visual appeal and make your templates more enjoyable to use. Finally, test and refine. Use your template in your daily workflow and identify areas for improvement. Iterate until you have a template that's both beautiful and effective. Your efficiency will thank you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips.